Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into using Notion to plan and track your New Year's resolutions for 2025. First off, open Notion and create a new page titled 2025 Resolutions. This is where all the magic will happen. Having a dedicated page keeps everything organized and in one place, making it easier for you to track your progress throughout the year. Now that we've done that, it's time to add sections for each of your resolutions. For instance, if one of your resolutions is to read more books, create a section titled Books to Read. The reason we do this is to categorize our resolutions, making it easier to navigate and manage them. Next up, within each section, create a table or list to detail your resolutions. For the Books to Read section, you could list all the books you plan to read. This helps us because it visualizes our goals, making them more concrete and achievable. Now, here's where Notion's tracking ability comes into play. As you make progress on each resolution, update the status in your table or list. Let me explain why this matters. Tracking your progress motivates you to keep going. Plus, it gives you a sense of accomplishment seeing how far you've come. Finally, make good use of Notion's reminder feature. Set reminders for each resolution to keep you on track. This is crucial because reminders act as your personal accountability partners, nudging you to stay committed to your goals. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to planning and tracking your New Year's resolutions in Notion. Remember, the key to achieving your resolutions is consistency, and a tool like Notion can make it a whole lot easier. Keep going, and here's to a successful 2025.